Hello everyone, this is Alicia Law from Ocean. Today I'll introduce the Ocean Nights app tutorial to you. This presentation was originally part of the 2024 EasyGo Capacity Building Workshop that was held on July 9th, 2024 in Seoul. By the time you are seeing this, some aspects of the application might have already been changed, updated, or completely revamped. So please take note of this. Also, I want to point out that I am in no way a professional editor or YouTuber, so this video will go straight to the point with not much fancy edits. This is the contents of this tutorial. I will first give you a quick summary of what Ocean Nights is, and then I'll walk you through downloading the app and then all the aspects of the app. If you feel I'm going too fast, too slow, please feel free to set the speed that you prefer by pausing or going back or going forward. So the first part is a very quick summary of Ocean Nights. Ocean Nights is a citizen science program that allows everyday people to carry out citizen science within their own comfort without needing to travel far, carrying out investigations using everyday items, and can also be carried out alongside their hobbies or everyday activities. If you want to know more about Ocean Nights and each of the groups that I will discuss briefly, please click the link on the top right or in the description down below. So Ocean Nights consists of 4 main groups at this time of recording, and then these main groups are Urban Nights, Sky Nights, Terra Nights, and Aqua Nights. Each of these groups have different methods of data collection and different focuses. From the most left, Urban Nights focuses on data collection in urban areas utilizing smartphones. Sky Nights focuses on coastal areas or places where there is no mode of transportation, and this method utilizes drone cameras. Terra Nights focuses on coastal areas and utilizing smartphones, while Aqua Nights focuses on underwater marine debris using underwater cameras. So despite these 4 being the 4 main groups of Ocean Nights, there is also another group called Yolil Bada Jongsu, which translates to 10-to-1 beach cleanup. This 10-to-1 beach cleanup or campaign is one of Ocean's projects, where we aim to reduce the top 10 items on South Korean coastal areas by 90%. So cutting these top 10 items to 1/10 of its original amounts. So for this group, if you have used ICC's Clean Swell app, this group is loosely based on that, except that we only focus on these 10 items. This is the Ocean Nights cloud where all the data uploaded goes into. I'll put the link in the description below, so be sure to check that out as well. Moving on to app download. Please pause this video here and scan the QR codes with your phone. The QR code on the left is for Android Google Play Store, while on the right is Apple Store. QR code should lead you to the app's main page, which looks like the picture in the middle. At the time of recording, the name of the app is still in Korean, but that may change in the future. If you are unable to find or download the app, you can still access the link that I have uploaded that I've put in the video here or down in the description below. Moving on to account registration. When you open the app, this is the main page of the app that you will see. Remember that this is called the main page of the app because I will keep talking about it. Now click the 3 lines on the top left and this will pop up. Now click the sign up option and this membership thing will appear with all the terms and conditions. You'll have to agree to the terms and conditions by tapping the square before the words terms and conditions. Once you have clicked that, click the sign up with an email address option and the sign up page will appear. Based on the South Korean criminal responsibility law, minors are not allowed to use this app. So if you are below the age of 14, please get a guardian to assist you with registering for this application. Now the sign up page will appear and there are a few things that are compulsory and non-compulsory to fill in. At the time of recording, all members must use email address to sign up. This includes getting an email verification. You will need to put in your nickname, password, and home address. You can fill in the other non-compulsory items or you can also skip it. Now, one thing that came up during the workshop is how to fill in your address. In South Korea, you can fill in your address by clicking the search button. So what you do is you click this search button and this pop-up will appear. And then now here is where you type your address. And I repeat, you have to click the search and then type the address. Otherwise, you will not be able to key in your address. So once you have filled in all the other items in your sign up, submit it, and you are done with your registration. An email will be sent to you confirming your sign up, and it may take between a few seconds to within an hour. To log into your account, click the three lines on the top left of the main page and then tap Login and fill in your data, your details, and click Login. To join groups, click the three lines on the top left of the main page, and then this will appear. Click My Page when the side banner appears. And then on the My Page, you can now see the request as shown in this picture here. Click it and this bottom will appear. Now click the Join Group and all the groups that you have not joined will appear in this Request Join Group section. At the time of recording, everything is still in Korean, but don't worry, here's a translation of all the groups from Korean to English. Pause this screen and compare the first letters with the group that you wish to join. After that, simply click the Apply button. After you click Apply, this pop-up will appear. Click the Confirm button and another pop-up will appear. Once again, click Confirmation and you will immediately get an email saying that you have been approved to join the group that you have applied for. To check the groups that you have applied for or are part of, go back to the My Page page and click Approval Management. Now scroll down and you should be able to see the different groups that you have joined at the bottom. Fortunately, at this section here, there's logos for each group, so you can identify which color of the group that you have joined and see which one was it Urban Knights, was it Terra Knights, etc. And then if you want to quit the group, simply click the X at the side. Next is projects. From the main page, again, click the three lines and then click projects. And then to see ongoing or completed projects, simply scroll down on this project page and then this will all appear. If you want to check the projects of each individual group, simply scroll back up and then at this card news here, you can click this small little arrow at the side and you'll be able to see all the different groups. Here I have chosen Urban Knights as the group that I want to see. Now I click View in Detail, which brings me to the Urban Knights group with all the information like number of total data, participant, ranking, completed projects, etc. To create a project, go back to the main projects page by clicking back on your phone, and then on the main projects page, you will see the Create New Project option on the top right. If you click that, you may see this pop up, but at the time of recording, members cannot create their own projects and you will need to fill in an inquiry in the inquiry section. I'm not sure if there will be changes in the future. Now, the most important part is to learn how to submit your data. So you go to your main page of the application and then you click Data Submission on the top right. The data submission page will appear immediately. Here you will have to click the group and project. So click the group and then the down arrow and choose which group that you want to fill it in for. All the groups that you have joined will appear here. And for every group that you join, it will have different projects and different data submission layouts. Right now, I only introduced the data submission for Urban Knights because most of the data submission layout are almost similar. Now, once you have clicked the group and project, the data submission part will appear at the bottom, immediately at the bottom. I'll walk you through it one by one. So the data title can be any name or place, location, group, etc. that you want. And then photo of survey here means the representative photo of the survey site. This means that it's a picture of the full site that you are working on. For co-investigator, this is optional. You can skip. Now, if you have taken your representative photo with your photo location information on, the date of the survey The survey time and survey location will all automatically update on its own. Please turn on your photo location information. If you're unsure what that means, please pause this video and Google how to turn on photo location information on your device. If the map does not update on the location of your site, you can manually pin the location on the map or key in the data as well. Once this is done, please choose the survey location and upload your photos in the results. After you have uploaded your pictures, you will need to click this, enter the number of each item of litter, and then you will need to fill in all the numbers of each item that you have identified. You will need to repeat this for all the pictures that you have uploaded. And then finally, the remaining sections of the data submission are all optional to fill in, so you can skip them. Click the submission button and you have successfully submitted your first data. So during our workshop, a participant asked if the Ocean Nights app is available offline for in case there is no available internet. The answer for this is no, you cannot use the Ocean Nights app without internet. However, what you can do is that you go to the field and you take pictures of all the trash and your representative pictures with the photo location turned on in your settings. And then once you go back or to somewhere where you have internet, you can upload it to the Ocean Nights application. So if you turn on the photo location setting on when taking the photos, the Ocean Nights application will automatically read the data from the photo and update your survey time, date, and location. It doesn't matter if your photos were taken a few hours or days before, as long as you have the information necessary, you can do it automatically or manually when inputting the data. Next, we move to viewing data. From the main page, again, click the three lines from the side, and then from the side banner, you can click view data. The main data page will appear like this. So you scroll down and you will be able to see all the data uploaded on this application. And then if you want to filter and find things based on specific criteria like different groups, projects, locations, durations, etc., you can do so in the search criteria function. So for example, I wanted to find out what kind of data Investigator Ellie has uploaded. So I put the name here in the investigator option and clicked search. And then the data for Investigator Ellie has uploaded will appear. So I clicked on the data and the information will all appear from that investigator. To edit your data, simply click the edit data button at the top, which will bring you back to the data submission page. And then after fixing what you need to edit, click the edit button at the bottom and you'll be brought back to the view data page with the updated data. And then to delete your data, simply click the delete data option on the top right of your page. Finally, we move to the other functions of the Ocean Nights app. Again, if you click the three lines on the main page, you will now see additional things like how it works, which will bring you to the guide and manual of the app. Or if you click the inquiries function, a pop-up will appear where you can directly contact DevGuru, the Korean IT company managing this application. So that's all for this video. For more information, please refer to the links down in the description below, leave us a comment or send us an email. Thank you.